Alright guys, we have arrived back at home, and on my particular house, my particular installation, the breakers that are inside the house do nothing to the air conditioner whatsoever. I've never seen that before. There's not a breaker in the house for the air conditioner. The breaker is over here in this box right here, which I had no idea. I had to figure all this out. But there is a breaker right here, and you just pull that out and it kills the power to the entire system. Very strange. I don't know if that's just a manufactured home kind of thing or what, but anyway, we'll go in indoors and set up a tripod and all that kind of stuff, and video installing this thing. Be right back. Okay, alright guys, got the tools out. I wanted to open it up and show you guys what's in there. And let me adjust my cameraman. Get out the trusty Gonzo. 729? Is that right? 729, not sure. Anyway, be careful with that thing, because it's sharper than God. Whatever that means. Put the wrappings over there. Uh-oh. Got to break the seal right here. Okay. That should get us in the box. Alright. Cool deal. Here's the thermostat itself. Thermostat right there. That's the thermostat itself, which is kind of cool looking. So we'll put that back so we don't break it. So down in the bottom of the box, we got the destruction manual. This is how you destruct it. And Nest Welcome Home will have professional installation, blah 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 blah, learning thermostat. Okay, we'll get all that going. Here is the turn off power. Yeah, no shit. Okay. Here's the base plate. Here's the base plate. Hopefully that's in camera. I have no idea. Anyway, here's the base plate to hook up the wires. Here's 2 screws. And they even give you a really fancy screwdriver in the kit. How about that? It says Nest on it and whatnot. That's pretty cool. I might just use that just right now even. I'm gonna get after stuff with that. And these are your back plates. You can use this big son of a bitch, or is this the same son of a bitch? Don't know. Don't know what some bitch this is. We'll figure all that out. And then there's screws in the bottom for the base plates. So anyway, we'll turn it off, and we'll get going on this and turn the camera back on in just a second. Okay, first thing we need to do is remove this piece of shit. And yeah, then it gets real confusing after this. So hopefully you can get it. We got our handy dandy Nest screwdriver that they supplied in the package, which was mighty nice of them if you ask me. Wouldn't you say so? Wasn't that nice?
That was nice.
That thing is at an angle that if you move in the wrong place, it'll see right up my skirt. So they got these 3 screws, kaboom, show that to you. Right there, that's the fangled mess of the old one. Isn't that lovely? we're gonna throw some high tech at this bitch, and then we need to. Do we need to label this since I've already taken a very close-up picture of everything?
I was going to say label it, but that's up to you.
Where's the label shit? Where are you going?
To get your phone?
Normally, there is, you're supposed to label each one of these wires. But I took a picture of it and the labels are already on this circuit board, so I can match up the color to the label. There's 4 wires. We're looking at 4 wires here. Most of them will be 4 wired.
Well, if we need them in the future.
Well, that's what I want to use them in the future. Okay, so I'm just going to loosen this up. This is what that looked like. It's a jumbled mess. Hopefully we do not get up close on that right there. See? That's a jumbled mess. Hopefully I don't have to put that back together. That would suck balls. That would be a pretty good sized ball sucker. Yeah, so that's not going to fit on the same hole. That's not going to fit on the same hole, man. That's why that was all loose, because that freaking hole right there is too big.
The metal plate is only if you have an electrical box. They are not common, but if you have one, secure the steel plate to the electrical box with 2 of the short steel plate screws. So there you have it.
So this needs to cover up this. So let's see if this covers up. Do the holes line up by some miracle? Seems pretty tight. So this goes in the center. This ought to work. Enough to get it going. Okay, do you have our printout for our diagram? Okay, so let's go see if it's wired correctly. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, that was a real bitch. My Wi-Fi password is really long for security purposes, so that took a while. So let's go. We're done there. Checking for Nest update. Meanwhile, it's getting hot in here. This was the wrong time of the day to be doing this. Why is it flashing? Oh, the battery's about to die.
Well, that's not good.
So it wants to know my location. Is this service? No. Why does it think it's in Casa Grande? Where are you? North America. US. Oh. What is your zip code? Oh. 8 5 2 Okay, single family? Single family, I'm guessing. Where is your thermostat? Basement, bedroom, den, dining room, entryway?
Entryway or hallway? I would say, and the door's right there, so I'd say.
Yeah, but it's a hallway, really.
Yeah.
So we'll go hallway. Heating and cooling. Are you a Nest Pro?
No, you're a homeowner.
Where's the diagram?
We
Uh-oh, we have a hitch in our get along, people. Hitch in our get along. Okay, guys, we're back. Didn't know that the battery had croaked on us. What happened was one of the wires was in the wrong spot. It popped up on the screen and showed us exactly how we wired it, which was awesome. So you wired it up, and it had this diagram of each one of the connections, and it showed us exactly where the wires were. So totally freaking easy to deal with. And then all I did was move one of the wires to another location where it said that it needed to have a connection. So I looked back at my old wiring, and there was a jumper between the two connections. So instead of jumpering, which it says not to do, right? It specifically says you do not need to do that. I moved the wire from a location over here to the location it said it needed, and I tested cooling and it works. We're sitting here about to test the heat. So I'm going to test the heat now. Nest will start the test. To protect your system, Nest will start the test in 30 seconds. Okay. We got air, guys, but no heat. Okay, guys, we are still having trouble getting the heater to come on. The fan comes on, but the heater actually does not heat. Shit. So, not sure if we got it, and we're trying something right now to see if it works. Testing again in 15 seconds. I tried changing the wires to kind of what it was originally. So this should kick the heat pump in this time. And there we go. Alright, heater, the fan comes on just like it's supposed to. But does the heater actually come on? Which, this is the last thing we need right now, is a heater. And our system takes a little while. When the heater comes on, it takes a little while for it to heat, to actually blow hot air. So it's actually causing a little bit of a difficulty in this. So let me get back to you as soon as we confirm we have heat or not. Okay, guys, it was just like maybe 20 seconds from the last time I was on, and it is now working. Heater is working. Heater's working, air conditioner is working, and it is now kicked in and cooling. Is it actually blowing cold air?
Yep.
Okay, we're blowing cold air. Everything is working, and we'll kind of report back after we, you know, let this thing run and do its thing. So from now on, let me turn this thing around. So from now on, technically, you don't have to mess with the thermostat at all in theory. If it gets cold at night, it'll turn on. If it gets hot, it'll turn on. It should be completely automated now. So we'll kind of report back after we find out if that's the case or not. And again, thanks for watching, man. We'll this one was a little bit tricky, a little bit trickier than I had anticipated with the steps on the internet and stuff, with how they do the diagram and all that kind of stuff. Made it look like it was just going to be a breeze. It was still not too hard. I figured it out pretty quickly. Not a huge problem or anything like that, but ran into that small hitch with the heater. Could have been worse, I bet. So anyway, so far so good. We'll report back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, definitely thumb it up and comment, please. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching.